What's going on, guys? I'm currently waiting to pull into a touchless car wash. This will be the last wash of the year for the M6. I am storing the car this weekend, so this is probably the last drive. But since the last video, at least the last vlog style video, a good bit has changed and a lot has happened. A couple months ago, let's cut back, I did put an Evolve Stage 2 tune on the car, as well as some VRSF catalyst downpipes, and I already had the intakes done. So the car sounds really good and it's super fast, probably around 700 crank horsepower. I would imagine somewhere around the 600 mark to the wheels. And I'll put a little clip in right now of the exhaust, how it sounds. I love it personally, and the car has been absolutely phenomenal to drive. Fast forward a few weeks after the install of my downpipes and all of that, we had our fall rally down to Tennessee with Rally Kings, and it was absolutely one of the best rallies we've ever done. Brought the M6 down. We had a great time. We hit the tail of the dragon, the Devil's Triangle, had 3 nights of parties. We stayed for 4 days. It was a great trip. I'll insert a little montage of that right now. But this weekend is about to be absolutely insane, so I'm filming an intro right now the day before the rally. I've got the M6 all ready to go, and as you saw in the last video, I did my intakes, but since then I've done an Evolve Stage 2 tune and catless downpipes. Let's check out the look for this rally. We've got these new sponsors that kind of go in one piece. I think it looks pretty slick. And instead of using regular vinyl, I went with this green camo-y kind of pattern. Might be hard to see. But it's like a lightish, or it's a darker shade of green that has that pattern in it. Got the logos in the front and back, all that stuff. You can even hear the difference. Right there. So I won't make the intro too long. I just wanted to do it before I forget, because I'm heading to my buddy Derek's house tonight before the launch, because the launch is about an hour and a half from where I'm at right now. So that'll cut that distance way down, and we'll wake up, go to the launch, and we're launching from Lingenfelter Car Collection, which should be pretty sweet. And then we'll be ripping down in Knoxville, Tennessee, 50 cars, all balls to the wall, tail of the dragon, Devil's Triangle, the Skyway, all through the mountains. It's gonna be a great time, so let's do it. So boys. Fix that shit.
Habibi Rally King. I have 6. Way more. What is this called? Way more vinyls than I have, so you know we're already off. Hey. A losing start, but Trident. Good.
No. New car, air freshener.
Oh wow, it's kept smile.
Mega water, baby, Habibis.
Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are
guys, we've made it back from the trip. It is now the day after the rally. I'm getting ready to clean up the M6. This thing is filthy and there's confetti everywhere inside. There's stickers all over it. So that's kind of my goal right now. I mean, it's trash. These wheels are literally, let's see if we can show this. Just gross. You can just kind of see all that dirt. So got all these stickers peeled off. I mean, you can tell how dirty it was exactly. I mean, that's the normal body color, and this is how dirty it was. You can see the outline of all my stickers, especially down here and back here. That's the difference. That's all dirt. So definitely time to go wash this boy off before it gets too dark. Okay, I'm now in the car wash. So we got back from the rally. My car was completely trashed, so I did a wash in a self-service car wash, brought the car home. It was still filthy, so I posted the very last video I just had on my channel washing my car by hand. That cleaned it up a good bit more, and right now I'm currently sitting in a touchless car wash, getting it cleaned up for the last time. I am gonna buy a cover for the car and all of that stuff. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and the videos coming after this will probably be mostly vlog style based, a little bit of travel, probably a good amount of skiing stuff as we're headed into the winter time, and possibly some different exterior modifications to the car over the winter time while the car's in the garage. So be on the lookout for upcoming videos. With all of that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update video. I will catch you guys next time, and the M6 will be stored. It'll be done. This is the last drive, and I've loved this car since I bought it. Definitely happy with my purchase. So with that being said, again, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Let me